What is going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video. The markets are back open and we are back at it again, trading and making plays as the day goes on. Today was a very hectic, crazy, busy day for me. So I made plays where I could, and in those plays, they were all Amazon. Now, Amazon started the day off and it did not do so well. It started off hot and then it just immediately just dropped off a cliff out of nowhere in the beginning of the day, and it was very frustrating. But we used that as an opportunity. When it went down to exactly 3,100, I went ahead and sold some put credit spreads. Now, if you guys know what put credit spreads are, it's essentially saying that Amazon is going to stay above a certain price. And in this case, we decided to choose 30.85 as our stay above price. We're already up $103 on it because, like I said, we really got the low of the day. We got $1.92, and now those things are going for. We almost got the high of the day. The high, I think, was 205. I'll have to see exactly which was the highest that actually went through for the day. But we got a very good price. 1/22 expiration. So that's in a couple days, as you guys can see. That's literally on Friday, saying that's going to stay above 30.85, and we're sitting at 31.37 right now. So we made a good play on that. We're up. We can get $383 if this works out, if it stays above. If it goes under, we lose $1,000. But we're already up right now, and we might even consider closing out the position, but probably not, because I don't see it dropping to 30.85 and staying under there on Friday expiration. Another play we made today is we sold a covered call on Amazon when it started running. So I hate to do it. I hate to sell a covered call on Amazon because it's so undervalued right now. But at the same time, I know how Amazon's been trading, and I decided to do it before earnings. Okay, I'm not selling a covered call after earnings because I believe earnings is going to be a blowout and it's going to soar. So I picked a very high strike price, 33.20. So almost 200 points, about 80 points, 83 points away. 183 points would have to go up in order for us to be in some trouble. But I don't see that happening. I see it, maybe it goes up 100 points, but I don't see it going up 180 points. But we got paid $1,525 for this call. So as long as by not this Friday, but next Friday. So it's a little more risky because you're having 2 weeks out rather than 1 week out. But we got paid $1,525. We are already up 24, about 15%, $242. And if I see this thing drop under 1,000, so if it only costs like 800 to buy back, I'll probably just buy it back and then try to resell it for some time this week, especially Friday, one of those same day expirations that Robinhood now allows, which is awesome. But like I said, making money where we can. Now, speaking of making money, Netflix sure made some money today. They announced that they had over 200 million subscribers for their platform, and the stock jumped over 13% now after hours trading, which is huge. A lot of subscribers is a big thing, and that is another reason I love Amazon. Today, Amazon announced that they have 142 million Amazon Prime members in the US alone. Now, we remember about a year ago when they came out and said they had 150 million subscribers worldwide. Now they have that in just the US alone. This is huge because obviously Prime is a great free cash flow supplement for Amazon, and it just brings them in a ton of money every single year. Also, Amazon Prime members are 68% more likely to shop, and that's where the majority of the purchases come from, Amazon Prime members. And their renewal rate is up like crazy. Reading this article today, I was very happy to see that they're finally releasing some sort of numbers before earnings, and it gives us a little sneak peek of what is in store for these earnings. And if they are as good as we think, which I do believe they will be, just because of the growing Prime members, the growing ad revenue, the growing AWS, and obviously the e-commerce boom over this pandemic. So, like I said, we sold a covered call, we locked in some profits, and we took advantage of it when it was down. Like I said, this stock is so beaten down. It's a great opportunity to get in before it's too late, honestly. Now, as of what I'm going to be doing in the next couple days, I'm going to be watching Netflix potentially. If that thing goes up a little bit too much, I will sell a call credit spread on it. It's a little bit of a bearish position. I like Netflix, but for it to be up this much on missing earnings, like they didn't even beat earnings, they missed earnings, but they did have a lot of subscribers, and it's still a solid stock, but maybe if I sell it for a 650 strike price, I don't see it going up there. It's a good way to just collect some premium. But that's really about it. That's about the plays I'm going to be making. Like I said, decent day overall. We're securing $750 a week just on that covered call we read on Amazon, because like I said, it's about 2 weeks out. So securing about $750 on that. And then our put credit spreads as long as Amazon stays above 30.85. So overall, very busy day. I'm exhausted, to be honest with you guys, but you know what? I'm very happy and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you that has subscribed. We're approaching 2,000 subscribers pretty soon. And like I said, I will definitely do a giveaway when we hit 2,000 subscribers. Probably giving away a share of Apple. We'll see. I'll have to see what stocks I have in the old Webull account. But yeah, guys, just have a wonderful day and make sure you like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Enjoy your day. Bye.